YouTube, what's up, YouTube? Facebook, so how y'all doing out there? Enjoying the beautiful weather. Let's get right into it. We're looking at SNDL right now. SNDL. We got about 17 minutes before the market close. We got about 17 minutes before the market close. We got Arnie Q on the beat. You can find him on YouTube. He got the fire beats. Right now we're looking at the support and the resistance, right? This video is going to be about using support and resistance. How support and resistance can help you trade better. How you can know where the price is about to go, okay? As you can see here, we're going to have the blue line representing our resistance, right? And the red is going to be our support, all right? So as you can see here, right now, okay, the high for today on SNDL, as you can see, is 122. Okay, from that high, after the price broke the resistance, it only went up a little bit. Okay, and it came back down. All right, and as you can see, it tried to go through again, but it got stopped. Right, and that's what the resistance does. All right, as the price tries to go up, a lot of times you're going to see it's going to bounce off of the resistance, okay? And then you see we got a little bit of consolidation right there, okay? Now you see the price here drop down and it broke the support, all right? It broke the support. What does that mean when it breaks the support? When it breaks the support, the resistance, right? The resistance, when the price breaks the support line, right? When the price breaks the support line and goes below, okay, and it kind of stays underneath the support line now becomes the resistance line, all right? So to show you what that means, I'm going to go ahead, let me remove my face. To show you what I'm talking about, I'm going to go ahead and remove the resistance. We're going to take it off. And then we're going to add a new support line. Because that's what the price is doing, is staying in that range, right? So I want to I want to narrow things down. I want to get me, I want to be able to see it better, okay? I want my eyes to be able to see it better. All right, so we're going to go at the tip of the we want to go at the lowest point. You can put it like right underneath it, over a little bit, Okay. Change the color on that. Just make it that color. All right. So now we have a new support and resistance. All right, actually I'm going to move the resistance up a little bit. Okay, there we go. So now what? The price is going to do either two things. It's going to break through the new resistance, or it could do what it did in the last pattern and drop down, okay? Or it may just consolidate for a little bit. Got to stand by. But for my purpose, I'm holding this position for a little while. As you can see, I currently have 336 shares. I was down way more. I didn't sell. A lot of people tend to panic sell in this position, but I know a lot of things about SNDL as far as their company is debt free, and they're right now just acquiring so much more other little companies that's going to help push profits. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and just for S and Giggles, just going to buy one share so you guys can see like a time like this right now would be like a good time to buy into a position. Okay, and as you see I slide to the left a little bit, you're going to see that the price was in this range before, and it popped out, hit its high, came back down, consolidated, dropped down, all right, consolidated some more, and it's looking like it's getting ready to try to push out. So we're going to go ahead and purchase one share real quick before the market closes. Tomorrow I plan to add some more. I just wasn't able to transfer funds into my account. So I'll be able to do that tomorrow. So remember what I said, you just want to consistently always add little by little. Little by little is the name to the riddle. Alright? There's no reason I wait for that position to fill, which it will fill. There's no rush on it. Alright. So that's why it's good to use support and resistance, because you can put the numbers, you can change the numbers in your favor with using good discipline. Alright? Overall, let's see overall performance. Overall down $17 since using Webull. Year to date, 6 months, 3 months, 1 month. Do we have a turnaround going on? We have a turnaround going on. That's what happens in the stock market. When it's in the red, tries to scare you emotionally. The connection we have in red is bad, right? So you tend to sell, losing all your money. All right. I'm going to go back to that position real quick. I want to show you something about time frames real quick. As you can see, right now we're on a 5-minute chart, right? Let's go to the 10-minute so we can go out a little more. Think of being in a helicopter, right? And you're on the ground, and as you start to elevate into the air, you're able to see more when you look down on the ground, right? Well, that's what happens when you extend the times out, okay? Let's go to the half an hour. Let's jump a little bit. The support and resistance lines will stay where you put them at until you move them. You can glide them along the chart, and you can see where the price was before in the past in that range and what happened. Gives you a slight indication what's about to happen. Like in life, a lot of things that happen in history, if you don't learn from history, you can use what happened in history and use it to your favor, to your advantage. All right, that's it. I'm out of here. Sean Wiggins, BFC, using support and resistance lines. Peace.